the fact that you have resources does not mean your strategies are effective. So if we turn to Pune, in the first phase, Pune's municipal council built almost 20,000 units in medium rise on the periphery of the city, and they could not get people to move into them. Each of those units cost $3,000 to $4,000. That is a massive investment in a housing solution that did not work. So resources are clearly part of the answer, but please do not think that simply resources alone will solve your problem. You need to apply your minds to the problem, not just look to fill your pockets. I think what I would also say, a little bit on the resourcing issue, but the land question. The land question in India is interesting, and I didn't expand on it. I mean, the simple story is that land is hard to access for municipalities. Land is highly contested. So municipalities chose areas that they controlled the land because that was all they could do in the time scale of the project. And to be frank, even then they ran late, and the end date of the program was extended. That meant that the municipal councils recognised that there were significant groups in need that were not included in this program. So there were limits. There were limits that they acknowledged was a fault of the way in which the Indian government manages land in urban areas. So resources, yes, but you need more than that, and land is absolutely a critical part of the urban story. I wanted really just to dwell a little bit on this issue about urban development and prioritisation. I think it is clear that increasing incomes at the household level makes an important contribution to poverty reduction. But it is also clear, I think, that in the urban context, you cannot advance well-being unless you address the need for public goods and services. And that is for that's for three key reasons. There are more reasons than this, but let me just summarise three. They're particularly important. If you do not have public services, the amount people pay to access, like water, basic needs, is really high. Illegal electricity. I don't know if you have that problem. Some of your settlements, clearly you do. Really high. So addressing people's need for services at an affordable cost has to be a public imperative.